Welcome to Ajay Astro Money Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. In today's video, we'll explore key trends in China's stainless steel imports and exports for September 2024, along with a look at copper scrap imports and Japan's recycling efforts. Let's dive into these important updates. In September 2024, China's stainless steel imports showed a significant increase, reaching 125,200 metric tons. This marks a 17.22% rise from August, though still 50.68% lower than the same month last year, according to SMM data. A key highlight of this surge was the imports from Indonesia, excluding scrap, which rose by 23.21% month-on-month, totaling 88,500 metric tons. However, on a year-on-year basis, imports from Indonesia were down by 56.3%. Breaking this down, while hot-rolled stainless steel imports from Indonesia saw a decline of almost 17,000 metric tons, cold-rolled imports surged by nearly 22,900 metric tons. Additionally, semi-manufactured stainless steel imports from Indonesia were up by around 10,800 metric tons. The resumption of production at Yongwang's cold rolling plant contributed to the increase in cold-rolled stainless steel supply, while hot-rolled imports remained stable. With these trends, it's expected that Indonesian stainless steel imports will continue to stay elevated in October. On the export front, China shipped a total of 524,900 metric tons of stainless steel in September, which represents a 5.86% decrease from August. Despite this month-on-month dip, exports showed strength, with a 37.65% increase compared to the same period last year. In terms of product categories, exports of coils dropped by 3.06%, narrow strips by 18.2%, profiles by 12.29%, and pipes by 11.89%. However, exports to key destinations like Vietnam and Turkey saw notable declines, with Vietnam down by 29.7% and Turkey by 27.18%. On the other hand, shipments to countries such as India, Japan, Pakistan, and Bangladesh witnessed moderate growth. Year-on-year, China's stainless steel export data remains strong, reflecting a 29.17% growth, with an average monthly export volume nearly 110,000 metric tons higher compared to last year. While demand from European markets softened after the summer break, Southeast Asian markets, particularly India, maintained steady demand, driven by recovery in manufacturing sectors. Looking ahead, there are concerns that potential anti-dumping measures against Chinese stainless steel in November to December could push exporters to accelerate shipments in the short term, likely boosting September to October volumes. Shifting our focus to copper, China's copper scrap imports in September 2024 reached approximately 160,000 metric tons, reflecting a 5.74% decrease month-on-month and a 6.2% drop compared to last year. According to the latest customs data, the top three suppliers were the United States, Malaysia, and Japan. The US, as the largest exporter, shipped around 32,000 metric tons to China in September, marking an 8.38% month-on-month increase but a slight 3.1% year-on-year decline. Malaysia's exports stood at around 17,000 metric tons, down 4.71% from August. Meanwhile, Japan's shipments totaled 16,000 metric tons, showing a 6.9% year-on-year decrease and a significant 19.7% drop compared to the previous month. Japan's declining copper scrap exports are attributed to its ramped-up domestic recycling efforts. In June 2024, a report from Nikkei highlighted Japan's plans to invest 30 billion yen over 3 years to establish recycling facilities in collaboration with Mitsubishi Materials Corporation. This initiative aims to recycle used home appliances, reducing the outflow of rare metals like copper and improving Japan's economic security. Experts predict that these efforts will further lower Japan's copper scrap exports in the coming months. As we move through the final quarter of 2024, it's essential to keep an eye on how these shifts in global demand and production impact commodity markets. Whether it's the potential anti-dumping measures affecting China's stainless steel exports or Japan's recycling initiatives influencing copper scrap trade, these developments will continue to shape global supply chains. Stay tuned to Ajay Astro Money Guru for more in-depth analysis and updates on commodities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.